Hey, it's Kurt with LifterLMS. And as we begin to close down this course on our tutorial for WordPress beginners, I wanted to talk to you in this lesson about how we organize our site, basic organization through categories. Let me jump into a shared screen here with you. And this is our demo site that we've been working with. We're going to go right into the dashboard. And if you remember, when we were talking about the menu earlier, we had mentioned posts. Inside the post menu is a submenu for categories. Now, right out of the box, WordPress is going to give you a category that says uncategorized. But as you develop a lot of content, especially if you're making a lot of posts, you're going to want to consider having different categories that fit with your business or your project. So, on one hand, you might have a category that says business. We can go ahead and add that category, and we'll see that populate right in the right hand side. And then we might have a category that says, family. Let's try that, and we'll go ahead and add new category, and we'll see that populate as well. So now you might be wondering, well, what do I do? How do I organize this inside my site? Well, if we go back to the post that we had made, tutorial for WordPress beginners, and we edit that, when that edit screen comes up, I'm going to click on settings, open that up. And as we go down, you're going to see that we have a categories area that we can select on the right-hand side. And those features that we just put in as categories are now there. So now instead of having this be an uncategorized blog post, we can categorize this blog post as business. Now, moving forward, we could actually have blog archive pages that just focus on the business posts, or ones that just focus on the family post. Or we could let our users search our content by using category searches, either business or family, or whatever categories you want to create. This is a really excellent tool to begin to put some shape and some organization to your content. And my advice is to look at the use of categories before you need it. So set up kind of a menu of categories, or a menu that you might want to write towards, and then begin to fill that. It's easier to have the structure and build into it than it is to build a big mess and then try and add structure to it. I hope you've enjoyed this, and we'll see you soon.